Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Why are some bikes all muscle but no soul? Why do so many cruisers feel either too old school or too modern to matter? The Harley Davidson Fat Boy shuts that argument down hard. This is not your average cruiser. It's a full metal statement rolling on 240mm rubber, with a growl that sounds like rebellion itself. At the heart of it sits the Milwaukee 8117 engine, a massive 1,923 cubic centimeters of American V-twin power, pushing out 103 horsepower and 168 newton-meters of torque. Twist the throttle and you'll feel it. Not just speed, but force. Real pull. And that torque peaks early, so whether you're cruising city streets or punching through a highway, this bike responds with grunt. But here's the twist. Modern tech doesn't take a back seat. You've got cornering-enhanced traction control, selectable ride modes, drag torque slip control, and dual-channel ABS. All working silently to keep you smooth, even when the road tries to throw a curve. The suspension. Smooth yet stiff where it counts, with hydraulic preload adjustment to tailor the ride. And with a low seat height of 675mm, even shorter riders get that dominating feel without tipping over. Add cruise control, LED lighting, tire pressure monitoring, and a USB charging port. It's built for more than just looks. It's built to ride. So if you've been waiting for a cruiser that honors tradition but lives in the present, the Fat Boy is it. Power, presence, and practicality, all in one machine. Want to feel the road shake with every throttle pull? Check out the 2025 Fat Boy today.